Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about editing your profile picture on the TikTok app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, of how to change your profile picture. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into TikTok and then select the profile icon down the bottom taskbar. And then select your user profile icon up here at the top. Just go ahead and left click on that one time. At this point, you go ahead and select an image from your camera roll, or you can select a little camera icon up here at the top left to go take a picture. You would also can allow TikTok to record audio if you so choose. You would select allow, and then it would be able to take a picture. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.